Hi, I'm Fabi from Infinity Insurance, and today we're going to learn how to jumpstart a car. Come on, let's get started. Place both vehicles in park and shut off the ignition of both cars. If either vehicle has an electronic ignition system, the use of jumper cables may damage it, so make sure to review your owner's manual for additional instructions. It's a good idea to buy a set of jumper cables and keep them in your trunk compartment. The hardest part for most people is remembering where to put each cable, so let's walk through the steps slowly. Attach one of the red cables to the positive terminal of your battery. It has a POS or a plus sign on it. Attach the other red clip to the positive terminal of the other car. Attach one of the black clips to the negative terminal on the other battery. Attach the last black clip to an unpainted metal surface on your car. Start the working vehicle and let the engine run to recharge. Try to start your vehicle now. If it won't start, make sure the cables are properly connected and run the working car's engine for 5 minutes. Then try to start your car again. Now we need to remove the jumper cables in reverse order, making sure the clamps do not touch until they are all removed from the battery. And now you're done. Give yourself a pat on the back for a job well done. And that's it, you're all done. And you didn't think you could do it. Well done. Until next time.